Hey there guys, I just wanted to shoot a really quick video about a new guitar that I've bought and I'll be refurbishing over a couple more. So obviously I did the DIY Luthier nut and saddle replacement on the classical guitar, and I think this is the next step in that journey. And I picked up an Explorer copy from eBay. So here's the guitar as it was on eBay, the 7 photos that they shared. As you can see, there's string not sat it's in the bridge, there's a string missing, everything's pretty messy, and the neck looks horrible. A Simpson that I've absolutely never heard of and can't find anything about on the internet. But apart from that, I mean, the body and the neck based on the pictures look alright. So that's what I've just bought, and can't wait to bring you along the journey of what I do over a few videos. There's Simpson headstock, which I've never heard of, can't find any information on the internet. It's going down the neck, which is very dirty, needs a lot of attention. Toggle switch, moves in all directions, doesn't seem to do much. Pickups, one of them kind of works and I'll show you that shortly. Very dirty hardware, all of that's going to go. 3 knobs and 2 switches here. Not sure, might have been a kill switch or a coil split. One of them's missing the handle, doesn't seem to be doing much at all. But the overall finish on the body seems pretty good, really. If I flip over to the back of the headstock, you can just about make out the serial number there that looks like it's 81001. So I think that means this would have been made in 1981, but the neck is in good condition. There's no evidence of any breaks or anything like that. Back plate is dirty, just like the rest of it. All the screws are dirty. Few dinks from where this has been used. Nothing too concerning until you plug it in or until you look at the fretboard, which needs a lot of attention. And the frets have almost nothing left. So I'm going to be replacing all of those as well. But I picked this up on eBay. And yeah, wanted to show an initial state piece first, and what I'll do now is I'll quickly plug it into the amp and show you what sounds I can get it to make, which is not much. So I think I'm on the neck pickup, volume 0. So it cuts out at the top. Has a sweet spot. Has a sweet spot right there. So muddy. Just turn the feedback monitor off on GarageBand. So yeah, it's very muddy tone. Flip it over to the medium one, nothing really changes. Nothing changes at all. Flip it over to the bridge pickup, there's just nothing at any point. Back over to the neck. yeah, I'll be going through a bit of a transformation journey. Brand new machine heads, brand new nut, brand new frets. I'm going to clean and polish all of the neck. New pickups. I'm going to flip it over to some active pickups from AMG. I'm going to move this toggle switch over to one of the holes from these kill switches or coil splits, so that I've only got one hole that I'll need to fill later. Keep it 3 knobs, probably change those to something a bit more modern. Brand new tailpiece and bridge, and then a new pick guard at the end as well. So I hope that you enjoyed that quick overview of the current state of the guitar. I've ordered all of the parts and I've introduced what they are as I fit them and in those videos. And yeah, just really looking forward to refurbishing this, giving this guitar a new life and a second chance to be played again, and we'll see what happens from there.